this is Shruti. I'm having around 9 plus years of experience in DB, ETL, OBI. In today's video, we are going to have a very high level knowledge sharing on joins. In my next video, I will share few interview questions related to joins based on my experience. So please like and subscribe for important database topic along with interview questions which can help for future growth and career too. What are the sections that we are covering about join? What is join? What is join used for? Different types of join, practicals, few real-time interview questions related to joins. In the first video, we will cover what is join used for, different types of joins, where we will cover inner join, outer join, and few practicals related to inner join, outer join. What is join? A join is a clause in SQL. We have different types of clause in SQL, like where, having, group by, etc. We will be learning those in our next classes. What is join used for? Joins are used to combine two or more than two tables based on a related column, matching column we can say, and display single set of data or a result table. Joins are retrieving data from two or more than two tables based on a common field. We can also say that. Now different types of joins. We have inner join, which is also called simple join, equijoin. We have outer join, which will have left, right, full outer join. We have cross join, which is also called Cartesian product, and we have self join. Now if we read what is inner join does, it returns record that have matching values in both tables. What left join do, right join does, full join, this all we will read in the practical session. So we have two tables, customer and order. Customer table is having customer ID, customer name, phone address, whereas order table is having order ID, customer ID, order date. So the common column between these two tables is customer ID. And first we are going to execute inner join. So we are looking for customer names with orders. As we know, inner join returns records that have matching value in both the tables. We can say the matching value between these two tables is the customer ID 2 and 3. So this two value we should see in as output. That's what has happened. If you see the output, customer name is Anna Antonio and customer ID is 101, 102, order date is 14/4 and 2/2/2023. Why we have got this three column as in our output? Because in the query itself we have given these columns that this is something we want to see in our output. Customer name from customer table, order ID and order date from order table. This three column value we want to see in the output only for those records which are present in both the tables, customer and order, which is Anna and Antonio. That's what inner join does. So we have used the same two tables for left join also, customer and order. As we know, left join returns all records from the left table and the matching records from the right table. So in the query also, if you see, we have in the query we have given customer name from customer table, order ID and order date from order table. Both the tables we have used, we have joined using customer ID, which is a matching column or common column between these two tables, but this time we have used left outer join. We can also use left join. For both the cases the result will be same. So in the left table, which is customer table, we have Alfred, Anna and Antonio. So Anna and Antonio has placed order. So those customer ID, customer details we can see in the order table also, which will have order ID and order date. But Alfred has not placed any order. So for that customer, we can see null value in customer ID and order date, which is expected. All the records from the left table will be displaying, which is Alfred and Antonio, and the matching records from the right table will display, which is there for Anna and Antonio. And Alfred is not having any matching records, so for that we will be seeing null value. So again, same two tables we have used for right join also. And as we know, right join returns all records from the right table and the matching records from the left table. Again, in the query we have used customer name, order ID, order date.
These are the columns we want to see in the output: customer name from customer table and order ID, order date from order table. Both the tables we have joined using right outer join. We can also use right join. In both the cases the output will be same, and both the tables are joined using the matching column, which is customer ID. So no matter whether it is inner join, outer join, left outer join, right outer join, whatever, we always need to join the tables using a common column. Now if you see the output, all the records from the order table are displaying order ID 101, 102, 103. But in the left table we need to have the matching records. Like for 101 and 102 we have customers Anna and Antonio, but for 103 we do not have any customer in customer table. So for that we can see null value in the customer name, which is as expected. And just because order table is having 3 records, all these 3 records we can see which is as per the logic, like all the records from the right table has to display, and the matching records from the left table, which is customer table, which is Anna and Antonio, we can see. And for the non-matching records we can see null value, which is displaying for 103 order ID. The same 2 tables we have used for full join also. And as we know, full join returns all records from left and right table. So in the query we have used customer name, order ID, order date. These are the columns we want to see in our output. And this time we have joined these 2 tables using full outer join. We can also use full join. In both the cases the output will be same. So as per the logic, as per the requirement of full join, we can see all the customer. We are supposed to see all the customer name. We are supposed to see all the order ID in the output. So if we can see Alfred, Anna, Antonio, all these 3 customer names we can see in the customer name column in the output, and order ID 101, 102, 103 also we can see in the order ID columns. But Alfred is not having any order ID, so there we can see null. And for 103 order ID we do not have any customer, so we can see null in customer name column. So overall, whatever customer name, whatever order ID, all these records we are supposed to see in the output. And if there is any matching between these 2 tables, then we will say that if there is no matching for customer table or order table, then we will see null value for the opposite table columns.